Today we want to share something that we're very excited about and is completely new to us, and that is
Lectric e-bikes. Clay and I had never ridden an e-bike before. In fact, we stayed away from them because we felt that, you know, if you're going to ride a bike, you should have to pedal it and get the most benefit or the most exercise from it, right?
Yep, but when filming RV Unplugged Season 2, we rode one of Lectric's e-bike, who happened to be one of the sponsors of the show, by the way, and we simply love them.
Yeah, so much so that after the show, we reached out to Lectric and asked them if they would send us a couple of their bikes, because we really truly believe that if we enjoyed them that much, that many of you would as well. And
at the very end of the video, we're going to show you one of our favorite features of these e-bikes.
Yeah, so hey, let's talk about, Clay, the two bikes that we'll be riding today.
I will be riding the Lectric XP 3.0, which is one of their most popular models.
And I'll be riding the XP Lite, another popular model in their lineup.
We will do a deeper dive into each bike in another video, but let me share some of the features that you will get with the XP 3.0. The bike comes in at $999. At that price point, it makes it one of the more affordable e-bikes in the market. This is the high-step model, but they do make the 3.0 in a step-through model as well. Beginning at the front, it comes with 20 by 3-inch tires. That's pre-filled with slime, so should you get a puncture, it will fill the hole and get you back home. It has an integrated front headlight. It has multiple mounting points for the many accessories that Lectric has to offer. Front suspension, that's also adjustable for stiffness, and a lockout function should you decide you don't want to use suspension. The 3.0 comes with front and rear hydraulic brakes, metal front and rear fenders. This is an aluminum frame, and I personally love the black and blue letter and paint scheme, but it also comes in white with blue lettering. Here in the down tube is where the battery is located. This is a port where you can charge the battery in the bike. Of course, you can remove it to charge it as well. This one has a standard battery, which with proper power management should be good up to 45 miles. Moving to the rear, you see the integrated rear rack with 150-pound capacity, and they do offer a passenger pad with foot pegs and a handle. The rear taillight, the sprockets for the 7-speed geared drivetrain. Inside here, the 500-watt motor with a 1,000-watt capacity at peak. The Shimano derailleur and derailleur cage, which is nice. The adjustable seat, open the collar, and adjust to your preferred height. And because I'm short, we're gonna drop it down very low, all the way down. Moving to the handlebar, it's also adjustable. Just make sure you meet the minimum insertion point. Nice hand grips, easy access to the brake lever, has a thumb-activated gear changer. Push here to gear up from 1 to 7, and press here to gear down. Here is the twist grip throttle feature. On the left is the controller pad. Now for the bike to operate, we have to turn the key underneath the bike to the on position. Then just hold the power button down and the display would come on. The display would provide you with battery level, your speed, which pedal assist mode you're in, and other data you might want, but I want to see how many miles I have traveled. To turn on the lights, hold down the plus button on the controller. You can also see on the display that your lights are on. To turn them off, just hold the plus button down again. This model has 5 different pedal assist modes. Pedal assist mode 0, no motor, so this is like a regular pedal bike. Mode 1 will take you to 6 to 7 miles per hour. Mode 2, 8 to 11 miles per hour. Mode 3, 11 to 15 miles per hour. Mode 4, 15 to 20 miles per hour. Mode 5, 17 to 20 miles per hour. This folding e-bike comes in at around 64 pounds. That's about it for the XP3. Daryl, tell us a little about the model you're riding.
Absolutely. Today I'll be riding Lectric's XP Lite, which has some of the great features of the 3.0, but hey, this beauty is coming in at around $750. And to get an e-bike at that price, well, you've got to take away some of the bells and whistles that's offered in some of the other models, such as the tires. The tires on the XP Lite are a little smaller, sporting a 20 by 2.4 to 2.6 inches. It does not have a front suspension. The fenders on the 3.0, well, they don't make it here to the Lite, but it still has plenty of accessory mounts. It has a battery range of some 40 miles. It comes in blue, white, Black, and Sandstorm. This model has mechanical brakes, a single gear drive system, and a 300 watt motor with a 720 watt peak. Now, like the 3.0, it has a controller and the LCD screen, along with a twist grip throttle. And this foldable bike, it comes in 20 pounds less than the 3.0, weighing 46 pounds. Other than that, they're very similar. Hey, let us know down in the comments if you guys ride an e-bike. If you do, what brand, what model is it? And do you enjoy it? We'd love to hear from you. So let us know in the comments. So, hey, we're about to take a ride, but I do want to say before we go, we do believe in helmets. We just don't have ours yet. It won't be here for a couple more days. But we actually ordered the Cena helmets that come with a Bluetooth function, so we can actually communicate with each other as we ride. But that's coming. You ready to go? Here we go. By the way, our channel is about RVing and some pretty cool motorcycle rides. So if that's something you might be interested in, give us a look. And if you enjoy our content, hey, we hope you'll subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll see and be notified when we upload our next video. All right, so we are in pedal assist 0 mode, which is a little bit hard to pedal because it's only a single speed. Now I'm gonna bump it up to pedal assist mode number 1. You can feel the motor kick in some. Pedal assist 2, really felt that little jolt of wattage. All right, pedal assist 3. Oh man, you can really feel it kicked in. Pedal assist 4. Up to 16 miles an hour. Come to a stop. All right, we're in 2 now. Let's see what we can do. 3, 4, 5. Now we should be able to get to 20 miles an hour. Yep. All right. There's 20 miles an hour. Had my legs going, a good workout. But it got us there. Now I'm 5'11", 175 pounds, and this bike may look a little small with me on it, but with the seat adjustment and the handlebar adjustment, it certainly doesn't feel like a small bike. Not to mention, it does have, very adequate power. Man, I really like this thing, I swear. Oh, let me try to show the throttle. There's your throttle right there. The twist grip throttle. No pedaling at all at this point. And it should get us up to 20 miles an hour, which is way too fast to be traveling most of the time. Will it get there? Will it get there? Yes, it did. Now again, I don't have a lot of experience. In fact, I have no experience on e-bikes, so I don't really have anything to compare this bike to. But I can tell you, this bike, obviously it's not made for off-roading because it doesn't have any suspension. And it'd be kind of a rough ride, I'm sure. But for what we're using them for, riding around RV parks, beaches, into certain towns, it'd be fine. And this road here is a little rougher, and that's what I mean. See, you can feel you're getting ready to do some paving here at Camp Rivers Landing, which is where we are now. And I'm still in pedal assist mode 2. And as I come over these rocks and what have you, you can just sort of tell that it's a little rougher ride, right? But I don't think that's why you would purchase this bike, to ride off-road. There's too many others out there that Lectric sells, and that will certainly accommodate that need. But I'm really impressed with it, man. I'm just gonna ride around a couple of these campgrounds here. Okay, that's gonna do it for the XP Lite. Now let's check with Clay. Clay, how you doing over there on the XP 3.0? What do you think about that throttle? Huh?
I am loving it.
That's a nice little feature to get you going.
Oh my gosh,
especially with these, with a heavy bike, right?
Oh my gosh, yes. So I'm starting off in gear 1, pedal assist mode 0. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go and hit the plus button so that I can do pedal assist 1. And immediately you feel the power, you feel yourself going. And I'm gonna go up to pedal assist 2. And immediately you see that power, see how fast that's going? And I'm gonna try 3. Oh, it's even faster, but I would never go in pedal assist 3 because that is too fast for me. So I would stick to pedal assist 2. So what I want to show you now is the throttle, how that works. I'm not pedaling, but I'm going to show you the throttle. And see, with the throttle, that makes it go fast too. So it gives it more power that I don't have to pedal. These hydraulic brakes are great. The right brake is your back brake and the left brake is your front brake. Going to press those and there you go. They are amazing.
Throttle?
Yeah, baby. Look at me. Why you not taught me this? Why you not taught me this? Man, I love that. So remember we told you, if you stay to the end, we'll show you one of our most favorite features of these bikes. They fold up. Release the latch and fold over the handlebars. Release the side latch. And while I'm here, I'll go ahead and fold in the pedal. Release the collar and lower the seat. And finally, fold the bike.
As you can see, when they're folded, they really are small and they take up very little space, which is very convenient to be able to place them in the back of a vehicle or SUV. In fact, we had some rain coming and I actually put both bikes in the back seat of the H2. I got some packing I put right here between them. And this is just for now. We've got a bike rack, but with all the rain coming, you know how it is when you got something brand new. I really just don't want it to get all wet. I know they're built for some rain, don't get me wrong, but just want to show you some of the benefits of having a foldable bike.
All right, Daryl, so tell us some of your overall thoughts about the bike.
Well, I absolutely love these things, man. As we've said before, we fell in love with them when we rode them at the show and loved them today. What I really appreciate about them is the leisurely pace that we're able to ride through these RV parks. We went through several RV parks here in Pigeon Forge, and we could just take a nice leisurely pace and enjoy the view.
Right.
And of course, if you got a thunderstorm behind you that you're trying to outrun, you can always get up to about 20 miles an hour with them. But we found that our sweet spot was pedal assist mode 1 and 2 on both bikes. Yep. That seemed to sort of be the sweet spot for us, where we just cruise and take it at a leisure pace. How about you? What are some of your thoughts?
What I like about it is that it gives us options. Remember, this thing is like 64 pounds. So
yours is,
mine is 64 pounds. So, and with my weight on it, it actually gives me a full workout. I can feel it in my legs. So I have the option to do a full workout on it, or I have the option to put it in pedal assist mode 1 to assist you going faster, or pedal assist mode 2 to have you going even faster. So I love the option it gives us. And 2, the throttle. I
we
love
both like
that.
throttle
so
feature.
you told me about
sort of get us going, right?
You told me about that, and I'm like absolutely in love with that.
Hey, listen, we want to thank Lectric for sending us these 2 bikes so that we could share those with you. I mean, because I do know that a lot of RVers love these. We love them. We figured a lot of you guys would enjoy them as well. In fact, if you decide you want to buy one of these electric bikes, we have an affiliate link down below. We'd appreciate it if you use that link. And hey, get them and enjoy them. We've got more videos coming out on these, by the way, because we're going to ride the heck out of them.
Oh,
right?
Yeah. So we hope our time with you was helpful, and we will see you in the next video. So until then, be well and stay safe.